All right, I was going to just finish up section 2.1, a couple more examples here. Here we have a frequency distribution table, and we are trying to see what the mean, the median, and the mode are from that, and then I'll work into another question. So I will just copy this here. The FDT is just an abbreviation for a frequency distribution table. Again, paste special and text. So if I want to find the mean, I need to do all of the x times f's over here. And so I've got 41 times 2 and 45 times 8, so on and so forth. It counts them all up. So now I need to find my sample size, the sum of all my frequencies. So I know what to divide by here. So grab these. And we've got 20. And then I need the total of all of these scores. So that's the sum of all the x times f. And then my mean will be 872 divided by 20. And if I want to do 872 divided by 20, that's what we did there. Now the median. We have 20 data points, so if I take 20 and divide it by 2 over here, and find the place, that's 10. That means there's going to be 10 on each side. So since that's an exact number, I need to find the mean of the 10th and 11th numbers in the ranked list. So going here, I've got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then the 10th and the 11th numbers are both 44 here. So technically the median is, oops, I want equals, and I need a grouping symbol. It would be 44 plus 44 divided by 2. So obviously we don't need to do 44 plus 44 divided by 2. Since we're doing the mean of two 44s, it would be 44. But it could be the 10th number was a 42 and the 11th number was a 43 or something like that. So again, we had 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The 10th, the 11th, and 12th are all 44s, so the median ends up being there. Now for the mode, if we have a frequency distribution table, we just need the one that occurs most often. So if I look here, I had 2 of these, 3 of these, 4, 3, 8. So my mode is going to be 45. So 43.6, 44, and 45. I was just using Excel there to see. Now we're looking for the median here on this one. I'll grab this data set and jump back over to Excel. Some of the work here, just trying to show you how to use Excel. Again, I like to paste text special when I can, just in case. Now I need to sort these numbers small to large. So I'll go over here and I'll sort small to large. And notice I have a count here of 12. So my n is equal to 12. So if I want to find the place value of the median, I've got to do 12 divided by 2, which is 6. Oh boy, I did 12 divided by 20, E24. I just want to do 2. Oh. Don't know why it's being sassy, but it is. I might have my number lock off. Anyway, this is taking a lot longer than needed to. 12 divided by 2. So that's 6. That's a whole number, so I'm going to have to find the mean of the 6th and the 7th. Place numbers in our ranked list. So again, go over here. There's 6th. Here are the 6th and the 7th numbers. I'm going to just highlight those. And so the median will be the midpoint of those, or the mean of those. So I'll take, I got to open them up. If I'm going to let Excel do all the work, I'll just add these two. And, nope, divide by 2. So 14.05. Now, I was hoping for a mode example. This one, 8.1, doesn't look like we have any repeats. So this would technically be no mode. Our mode can be a single number, it can be multimodal, or we can have no mode if they're all repeated 0 times. So 14.05 was the answer here for the median. Oops. I should hit submit. All right, here. Gabriel is working with patients who are in remission from kidney cancer. The patients' ages are below. Find the mode of their ages. So I'll do this here. Grab the data. Go over here. We're looking for the mode. Again, to paste special, you go here, and I usually just try text. Now I need to get this in a column to organize it. So I'll just copy and paste that, and then now I need to sort them small to large. Now I could make a frequency distribution table. This is a smaller data set, so I can just kind of see here. I've just got single answers all the way to 75, then I've got 2 79s. So the only one that occurs twice, or more than once, is 79, and so in this case our mode is 79. If we would have had multiples that occurred more than once, as long as they were tied, we would have 2 modes. Again, if you have a lot, sometimes it's nice to set up a frequency distribution table kind of like this, and so you can count them up and see. But in this case, our mode is 79. Let's see. We got another set here where we're looking to find the mean, the median, and the mode. So I'll go ahead and do this one. I'm just going to grab the data set here. I haven't actually even looked at the context, but so find the average, which is the mean, the median here, and then the mode of our deals affected by blight. So paste special. This is probably going to work out like this, and it's about as much work, so I'll just organize it this way by kind of copying down. Excel does really prefer columns to rows. So we have a 9 there, and we have 5 2/3. So I'm just make sure I didn't make a mistake here. A 9 there and 5 2/3. So it looks like we're good here. Just organizing the data. Now I'll sort them small to large. You can sort them kind of however you want. Small to large is the most common. And so notice here, XF, we've got 3. It occurs once. 4 occurs here 3 times. If I just highlight it, kind of going back to what we did with our old ones, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, if I want to add all those. So we've got 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 0, 8s, and 2 9s. And so then the most common one here are highlighted. Our mode here is 4. So again, just kind of a brief way to make a frequency distribution if you want to read it from there. Our mode was 4. I didn't even think to get the median and the other one. So for our mean, we need to know a couple of things here. N, go here, the count was 9. I think I said that earlier. If I take the sum of all of these ones, and I always use a shortcut here, the sum is 51 divided by 9. If I wanted to show some work, I could do the sum here and grab those. Probably a good idea to show your work. And then we got our 51 over 9 is this guy. And then the median, again, we have 9 numbers. So 9 divided by 2 is 4.5. So it's going to be the 5th place number in the ranked list, the 5th place number. Just kind of rounding that up. So we go here, 3, and then we got these. Here's our 5th number, happens to be a 5. So our median is 5. Going back here, our median is 5. 1 decimal place, I think it was 5.666, so that's going to be 5.7. And there we got them. All right, so there's a few more examples worked out. Finally got to the mode. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching this continuation of 2.1, talking about measures of center, the mean, the median, and the mode.